How to trim a video on Samsung. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a long video shorter by trimming it on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we need to open up the Gallery app, and you can do that by swiping up, and then most likely it'll just be an app like this. It might be in a folder marked Samsung, but you just want to open up the Gallery app. From there, find the video that you want to trim. I'm just going to do this one right here. Once you have the video open, go ahead and select the pencil in the bottom menu to edit it. It'll then load the video, where all we need to do is simply at the bottom here, you'll see a timeline of the video, and you see these little white rectangles with a little line in it. If we drag that, that will trim off any portion that isn't in the white section of the video. So right now I'm trimming off the back of the video. If I want to trim off a little bit of the front, I would just drag over, and that will trim off the front portion. So anything in the grays on the sides is going to be trimmed off, and then the middle of the video will be retained. Once you're done, go up to the top and you have two options. You can either save, and that will save the current video, or you can select the three dots and then save a copy so that you get the original video and then you have the new trimmed version of it. And that's what I'm gonna do. So then it'll process the trimming and save the video. Then once you're done, it's going to open up that trimmed video. But when I go back, you can now see that I have the 31-second video and a 17-second video. And that's how you trim videos on a Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.